Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and this is Moonwillow Beauty, and today I am doing a collaboration video with Candy Coated Kayla. She's doing a date night Valentine's Day look, and my look is clearly anti-Valentine's. So make sure you watch my video all the way through and then click the link in my description box to go watch Kayla's as well. Leave her some love and subscribe to her channel. If you want to see how I attained this super grunge glam look, please keep on watching. First, I'm taking my Best Year Ever palette by Too Faced and the shade Snow Day, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid, all the way up into my brow bone to create the perfect base. Now, from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I am taking a deep pink shade and blending this all through my crease and on my outer V. I am now taking this magenta shade on a crease brush and placing that where I just put my deep pink to add depth to my look. I am now taking the shade No Shame from the Smashbox Cover Shot Bold palette, and I am placing that where I just placed my other two shades to blend everything together and deepen my look even further. I'm now taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner and a very detailed brush, and I'm using that to create a base for my black eyeshadow that I'm going to be placing down next. If you're going to attempt a look like this, don't worry about being too precise with the outer winged portion of it, because we are going to clean it up after with a makeup wipe. I'm now taking the shade Abyss from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm just putting that down where I just created my base with the black gel liner. I'm now taking the NYX Glitter Primer and a very detailed brush, and I'm placing this all throughout my crease so I can put down some glitter to blend the look together. Today I'm using a duo-toned green and purple glitter in my crease, but it doesn't matter what color you use can use any color of glitter that you want. As you can see, I've already added eyeliner to my waterline, and now I am adding the same shade No Shame that we used earlier, and I'm using that to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the shade Techno from the same Smashbox palette, and I'm using that as a highlight in my inner corner and underneath my brow bone. I've completed my look off camera, and now I am just using the NYX Glitter Primer to create what would look like a stream of tears on my face. Once that's down, I will be adding the same glitter that I did in my crease. I'm now taking the Annabelle lip liner in the shade Bordeaux, and I am using this to trace out a heart shape on the center of my lips. I am now taking the Hard Candy Velvet Mousse liquid lipstick in the shade Wisteria, and I'm using that to add all the detail to the center of my lips where I've just created my heart. I'm now taking a black liquid liner. This one has a very fine point for what I want to do, and I'm just creating the illusion of a crack down the center of my heart. And that completes the entire look. Did you guys enjoy this very different and artistic makeup from me today? If so, make sure you leave me a like and let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching how I created this look, and please don't forget to follow the link in my description box to go to Candy Coated Kayla's video as well. Leave her some love and subscribe to her channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell to know as soon as I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!